What? What?
Nothing.
Are you starving? Huh? Say something. Say it.
Why?
You don't eat that. Get down. You already ate. Well, you need some more? Are you still hungry? Well, you need to tell Daddy. Go tell him. Go tell Daddy. I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it. Go tell Daddy. Go tell him. Go on. Go tell him. No, you go tell him. You go tell him. My belly's full. No, I don't want to hear it. My belly's full. You go tell him. No, get down. Get down. No. No, you don't eat grilled cheese. Get down. Down. It's not yours. Well. Really? You going on strike? Uh-huh. Yeah, it's not for you. It's not for you. I'm sorry. My hands are tied. Can't do nothing.